Hey everyone, Paul from Wolverine Prepper here, and we are back at it with another video. First thing I want to do on this video is I want to just give a little bit of update for the channel. We have done it. We've accomplished an amazing feat. We have hit over 1,000 subscribers on this channel. As of right now, this video being made, we're at 1,074 subscribers, and I am absolutely blown away by how many people have wanted to be a part of this community, how many people have wanted to help grow this community and contribute in commenting and liking and sharing the videos. This is all a congratulations to you as well, because we've built an amazing thing here. With that being said, we have reached a portion of the growth of this YouTube channel that YouTube is going to start monetizing it. And for that, again, I am grateful that you have helped me build it to that level. If you would like to be able to help the channel in a more direct way than just using affiliate links to buy things that I list in the description, there are going to be things like super thanks and super chats that you can do. When you comment on one of my videos, you can use a super thanks. When we go live, and we are going to go live, you can use things like super chats. We have also opened up memberships, and we're going to be doing exclusive content for members. So this is all really great stuff, and this really just means that this channel and this community is growing, and I want to thank you personally. So today, we are going to do another series in the Is It Worth It? I had a company named Wuben reach out to me. They make flashlights, and they wanted me to review one of their lights. It is called the X4. And I said, sure, why not? I love to bring things to you guys that aren't breaking the bank. These are some things that are maybe for the more budget conscious prepared person or the EDC person. And I want to find good quality items that even you can buy and you don't have to worry about breaking the bank or having maybe the missus might get a little upset if you buy a really expensive flashlight. I know Mrs. Wolverine Prepper would not be happy if I came home with a super expensive flashlight. So these are some things that I want to always be able to test and find alternatives for you that might be what you're looking for. So today we're going to look at the X4. Now, disclosures, Wuben is not paying me to make this video, and they have no editorial input on what is said in this video. These are all my opinions that I have made through the several weeks of using this flashlight. They did give me the flashlight for free to test and to review, and they have given me affiliate links to Amazon and directly to their site to be able to offer you this flashlight. They have also given me an affiliate link just that goes directly to their site, so anything you buy would go to helping this channel. And they also have given me a discount code that I'll share with you at the end of the video for a Black Friday sale. So with that out of the way, let's get into the review, and we're going to ask that question that we always ask. Is it worth it? All right, and we are back at the workbench where I like to start these videos so you can kind of just see what's going on with the light. I am going to show you some footage of me using the light so that you can also kind of see how it is in action. First thing I want to do is I actually want to open up the box that it came in so you can kind of see what it looked like. I will tell you that the presentation of this flashlight is actually really nice. The box is very quality, and it really just has a good presentation. Like, they really care about how it looks when you purchase it. So when we open up this box, it did come in this little bag, in this little tray. Here's your booklet on how to use the device. And yeah, you might need to look at the booklet to know the different clicks to change the different lighting sequences. And then it also comes with a little wrist tether and a USB-C cord. So that's important to know when using the device. And let's kind of just go into the device a little bit. So this is the X4. It's got two lighting options. It's got your main light here on the end, and then it's got this lantern lamp style light here on the side. Here is your main power button, and this wheel actually changes the brightness setting. And when we get to the lantern or lamp side view, you're going to see that it will also change the color of the light. Here is your selector for what we're going for here. So this is locked. So when it's in your pocket, you can't hit any buttons to actuate it. This is the front light. This is that side light lantern. And then this is a night light. So it's going to turn this on, but it's going to turn it on at the lowest brightness, which is really kind of cool. If you're camping or something like that, and you need to turn on the light, it's going to turn that on at a very low setting. Because I will tell you, this light is very bright. Here is your tail cap button for instant on and off. And if you double tap it, it will actually activate SOS. This is a magnet on the tail cap. So if you need to stick it to anything metal, like, so we'll put it right there, it's actually going to stick on metal, which is really cool. Also here is the lock feature to house the battery. So right now it's locked. If we push that little toggle over and press this button, it's now going to open up the back. And this is a ABE 3400. You find these in quite a few different types of flashlights. So that is the type of battery it uses. It is rechargeable via that USB-C. So if you have it in here and it dies, you can charge it with USB-C. If you have other of those batteries, you can have those charged already. I actually have a charger that will charge them, and you can then switch it out. I will tell you, my one major gripe is that you can't use like one of those little forms in there that you could put like AAA or something like that in, just in case you didn't have time to charge it and you needed it, or you don't have a charged battery that would fit it. You could then use one of those little devices that you can put some AAAs or whatever in to then keep going on the light. So how does the light work? So right now we are on the night light. So I will actually turn it on, and it looks bright in the phone, but it is actually a very dim light. And from here, we'll shut it off, and I will turn it on to the main light. And we are going to hit the button. It turns on. And then, like I said, if you watch, and if you see that blink, that's telling you that it's now at the either maximum brightness or lowest brightness. It'll do that little blink there. So we can turn this little toggle here, and we can get that all the way to the max brightness. It's very bright. I can't really show you the brightness in the studio, but I will show you some footage of the brightness of the light. So we'll go ahead and just hold that to long press it to turn it off. And then the tail cap, we're just going to on off. And then if you double, you're going to get that, not really SOS, but that strobe, which I was actually talking to Mrs. Wolverine Prepper, and I said this would be good for even like women who EDC, but they don't maybe carry a pistol. On the brightest setting, this will disable someone long enough to be able to get away. I promise you that. It is very bright. So then we'll go to this, this side feature. We'll turn it on. And then again, the wheel is actually going to adjust the brightness. And then if we hold this light, see how the bottom here turns a different color? We can then change that color. I mean, there's possible, I can tell you red light in the dark is the best for not having your eyes adjust to light. I use red light in my room at night when I have to see something, because red won't change your pupils to receiving actual light. And then to change it back, you just hold it and there you go. And you can go from red, green, blue, yellow, purple are the different colors in there. I did try using it as a black light. I didn't see that there was anything that you could actually see as far as like biomatter, but I did definitely try to check that out. Let's get into some details about the X4. The X4 is a EDC rechargeable flashlight. It has red, green, blue light LED, and it is a multifunctional flashlight. The max lumens are 1500 lumens. It also has that tactical magnetic switch on the back. The light does charge with USB Type-C, and it's got a great pocket clip that you can either attach to your bag, your pocket, or even a hat. The light distance is 205 meters, and it does have that dimming ability. This light is durable and waterproof, and it's ready for anything. With a metal body, it is IP68 rated, and it's built to endure drops, dust, and rain. With that multi-use side light, you can adapt it to any situation, from a soft glow to even smart color signals. The battery is long-lasting and replaceable. At max runtime, it is 720 hours. And there you have it. That is the Wuben X4 pocket flashlight. Now, this light does come in at $38.99, which in my opinion is actually a really good price for this flashlight. Now, I'm sure you're all asking the question that we always ask in these reviews: is it worth it? I've been using this light as my EDC flashlight for about 3 weeks, maybe closer to a month. I've put it through its paces. I've tested battery life. I've even dropped it from my upstairs and hit the ground, hit concrete, just to see how durable this light is. And I'm gonna have to say, and this is just a case test of one. I have one light that I have in my person that I have been using. And I would say, yes, for $38.99, this flashlight is definitely worth it. It is worth the purchase. If you're looking for something for a Christmas idea, this would be a great light that I think anyone would enjoy getting that is into EDC, that is into prepping. It is a great light. So currently for Black Friday, the price that I mentioned is the actual price, which is a great deal. That price will end on December 1st. So I would pick it up now if you're looking to give this as a Christmas gift. That's all I have for today. Did you like the video? Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Do you think you know someone or have a friend that would like to see this video? Or maybe you would like the missus to get, or the mister, to get an idea of something you might like for Christmas. Go ahead and share the video. If you like my kind of content and you like the community that we're building, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I come out with a new video. They've recently come out with a new hype button on our videos. Go ahead, if you really like Wolverine Prepper, hit that hype button. Tell me in the comments what you think about this flashlight. What other flashlights do you like? What flashlights are you currently using? I would love to know in the comments below. Don't just get prepared, stay prepared. God bless you, and God bless the Republic.